Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here, tutoring draw Megan Moroney. So let's get started. To draw cute Megan, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. Now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, so that her eyes in, we need to spruce them up with a bunch of lashes. So I'm going to come right about here, and maybe I'll put in 3. And maybe a shorter one here, and same thing here. There, very girly, right? And then I'm tempted, I think I might just put some here at the bottom if you like, just lightly. Just put in 3. There. And then let's come up, and we need to draw her brow. So right over her eye, just gonna lightly just draw in this slight angle line. And same thing on the other side. There. And then of course, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, we're gonna go ahead and draw a curve and go up slightly and cap it off. Now that we have that, we need to draw her hair. So I'm going to come to the center and go up to say about right here, kind of where her hairline would be. And I'm going to start with a bunch of curves to frame her face. So I'm going to go up slightly and then come down, kind of hit her brow, and then we're going to come out. Just sweep it out. So same thing on this side. So the reason I'm not drawing her face first is because she has a lot of hair that's just kind of on the side of her face and out. So just push it out, and then right about here, we're going to, right next to her eye, just draw another curve. Same thing here. And maybe one more. There. Okay, so then from there we can start to imagine drawing her face. So just as usual, you would come about right here where the top of the eye would be, and then you would come down. So let's say about right here. And I'm just going to drag this across so I can start at the same place. And we're just going to go ahead and bring a curve down to about the center right here, and then go up on the other side. There. Okay, so we framed her face. So then let's come back up into the center where her hair parts, and about right there, we're going to go up, on, down on both sides. So gorgeous blonde hair, very full. So we're going to come down and then out. So same thing here. Kind of go down at an angle a little bit and then out. Okay, so let's finish her hair later. Let's come back and draw her body. So let's give her a little neck right by in the center. And we're going to bring it down. And same thing here. So I'm kind of stopping before where we need to go down to for her shoulder, because right about there, I'm going to skip a little bit of space, kind of at this angle. Same spot, kind of where her armpits would be. And I'm going to just start her body. So just give it a little angle line, and let's bring it down more. Just say about right there. And then let's come back up right about here, and we're going to draw a curve towards the center for her top. So then let's go ahead about right here. We're going to connect this part, and then we're going to poof out her beautiful skirt. So I'm going to go poof it out nice and full. And let's bring this out. Maybe kind of give it a little bit of a curve so this part kind of points out. And I just kind of want to be about the same level. And then from there, we can go ahead and connect it with a curve. And as I come down here, I'm just going to wobble all the way across. There. And I'm going to come right about here and very lightly just draw in maybe 2 creases just to give the dress some definition. And then there's a lot of beautiful embroidery, but I'll do that when I color because I don't want to muddle up my Sharpie. And then let's go ahead and come right back here, round off her shoulder, and then come here, and we're going to come down and then angle out. So then this is going to be very simplified. So I'm going to come down, using her skirt to kind of cover her hand so we don't have to draw too many details, but it's still going to flow out. And about right here, just imagine drawing her hands and then bring it in. So just give it a slight angle. So same thing over here. Curve, kind of where her waist is, then bring it in. So same thing, round this part off and thicken up her arms. Now we're going to start to angle out. And we want to angle more for her hands and then in. There. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs. So finding your center about right here, go to the left, go to the right. So right about here, I'm going to work on this leg, her hip, her thigh, about right here. So let's bring this down. And say about right there. I'm going to stop because I need to draw her boots. So I'm going to stop right there and put in these 2 curves. Then I'll continue the same angle and then just going thinner as I come down. And same thing here. And then we're going to, about right there, pop this part out and then bring it in and connect. There. Okay, so same thing on this side. There, and then curve it out and in. There. And then for some details, right about here, we're going to add another curve for the sole. And very small detail if you like, about right here, just going to draw in this little curve lightly for her boot. And then there's a lot of beautiful detail right here, like a blue flower, and I'll do that when I color. And let's finish her hair. So we're just going to come right here, and I'm just going to go brown, wobble, and then about right here, just pop it out, maybe 2 strands, and same thing here. Wiggle, wiggle, and same thing. There. And then for some details, you could do this when you're coloring, but I just want to show you. Just to add in some details to all these strands right here. And the last thing I need to do, of course, is to give her a heart necklace. There, to make her my Just So Cute Megan Moroney. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.